Hello! Hi everyone! We're gonna cook pancit for today. This is for our merienda sa Pilipinas. Like we don't eat pancit. We eat pancit almost every day. That's why we always believe it's for long life. Let's have pancit. My sister-in-law is cooking our pancit. She's the best chef ever. So there you go. We already prepared all the ingredients. It's ready just to mix them all together. We put the noodle first on the like soup itself. That would cook it. And then the rest of the ingredients are already prepared. So we're just gonna mix them together. Once it's ready, sometimes it's not easy to prepare pancit. Well, you really have to have the knack to do it. Like, sometimes you feel like you put more like water on it or whatever soup you're using. And then, if you feel like they're still crumpled, all the noodles, it's not cooked. It should be like easy when you're mixing them. That's how I do it myself. That's how I do it myself. Like, there are times that you feel like you thought it's cooked, but it's not. So you really have to take your time. Now she's putting some